In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Wix Error 217 step by step using simple and proven methods that work in 2026. Wix Error 217 is a common issue that can appear when there's a session problem, permission conflict, or connection issue between your browser and Wix servers. The good news is that you usually don't need advanced technical skills to fix it. By following these steps carefully, you can get your Wix site back up and running quickly. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy website and software fixes. All right, let's jump right in. The first thing you want to do is log out of your Wix account and then log back in again. This might sound simple, but it fixes a lot of Error 217 cases because the issue is often caused by an expired or corrupted login session. To do this, go to the Wix dashboard, click on your profile icon, and choose Log Out. Once you're fully logged out, close your browser completely. Then reopen your browser, go back to Wix, and sign in again using the same account that owns or manages the site. After logging back in, try accessing your site or the page that was showing the error and see if the problem is resolved. If the error is still there, the next step is to turn off any VPN or proxy you might be using. Wix can sometimes block or restrict access when it detects traffic coming from VPNs, proxies, or unusual IP addresses. If you're using a VPN browser extension, disable it. If you're using a desktop VPN app, turn it off completely. Once the VPN or proxy is disabled, refresh the Wix dashboard or reopen your site editor. Many users find that Wix Error 217 disappears immediately after switching back to a normal internet connection. The third step is to republish your Wix site. Even if you haven't made recent changes, republishing can refresh your site configuration and fix hidden errors. From your Wix dashboard, click on Edit Site to open the editor. Once the editor loads, look for the Publish button in the top right corner and click it. Wait for the publishing process to complete fully. After that, go back to your live site and check if the error is gone. Republish often fixes issues related to syncing and permissions. Next, you'll want to check your page permissions. Wix Error 217 can also happen if a page is restricted or set to the wrong audience. In the Wix editor, go to the Pages menu and select the page that's causing the error. Click on the page settings and then open the permissions section. Make sure the page is set to public or adjusted according to who should be allowed to view it. If the page is members only or password protected, confirm that the settings are correct and saved properly. After completing all these steps, refresh your browser one more time and test your site again. In most cases, Wix Error 217 should now be fixed. If this video helped you solve the issue, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more Wix tutorials, website fixes, and beginner-friendly guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.